Hello, if you're over 60 and noticing that your strength isn't what it once was, I want you to hear this. You don't have to accept weakness as part of aging. You might already be doing everything right, eating lean meats, loading up on vegetables, maybe even sipping protein shakes. But there's one powerful, delicious food group you might be overlooking: cheese. Yes, cheese. The right cheeses can do more than just tantalize your taste buds, they can fight sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that affects millions of seniors, while helping you rebuild muscle, strengthen your joints, and keep you vibrant, energized, and independent for years to come. Today, I'm going to share 3 specific cheeses that are like superfoods for your muscles and bones, along with simple ways to enjoy them for maximum benefits. Let's dive into this delicious solution to staying strong and thriving after 60. First up is cottage cheese, a humble hero sitting quietly in the dairy aisle, waiting to be rediscovered. If this were packaged as a fancy supplement with a shiny label, you'd be paying top dollar for it, but it's real, affordable food that's been supporting strength for generations. What makes cottage cheese so special? It's packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids into your bloodstream for 6 to 8 hours. Think of it as an IV drip of muscle recovery fuel that works while you sleep. Unlike proteins from meat or eggs, which digest in just 2 to 3 hours, cottage cheese keeps nourishing your muscles through the night, fighting the muscle breakdown that accelerates sarcopenia after 60. But cottage cheese is more than just protein. It's a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with calcium to fortify your bones, B vitamins to convert food into energy, and selenium to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major culprits behind joint stiffness and aging. It even contains tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and better sleep, so you wake up with fewer aches and more energy. And here's the best part, it's gentle on your stomach, even if you're sensitive to dairy or struggle to digest heavier proteins like meat. No cooking, no fuss, just open the container, grab a spoon, and dig in. It stays fresh for days and requires no special prep. Don't love the taste? No problem. Cottage cheese is endlessly customizable. For a sweet twist, mix in blueberries for a boost of antioxidants, chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s, or a sprinkle of cinnamon to stabilize blood sugar and add warmth. If savory's more your style, try chopped tomatoes, a crack of black pepper, or creamy avocado slices. This isn't some trendy powder or overpriced pill, it's functional medicine in a bowl, delivering stronger muscles, healthier bones, and deeper sleep for less than the cost of your morning coffee. Make cottage cheese your nighttime ritual, and watch it work its magic. Next, let's talk about Parmesan cheese, the hard, crumbly cheese you probably sprinkle on pasta or salads without a second thought. But here's the secret, Parmesan is far more than a flavor enhancer. It's one of the most concentrated sources of protein in the cheese family, delivering a whopping 10 grams of high-quality, complete protein in just 1 ounce. Plus, it's low in lactose, making it easy to digest for seniors who might be dairy sensitive. For those watching their energy, weight, or inflammation, Parmesan is a smart choice. It's virtually carb-free, so it won't spike your blood sugar or insulin levels like sugary snacks or processed cheese spreads, keeping your energy steady without the crash. Parmesan also shines as a mineral-rich marvel. It's packed with calcium and phosphorus, a dynamic duo that strengthens your bones. Calcium builds the structure, while phosphorus ensures flexibility and resilience, crucial for preventing fractures and falls as bone density declines after 60. What sets Parmesan apart is its flavor density. Because it's aged and low in moisture, its bold, sharp taste means a little goes a long way. Grate it over steamed broccoli. Stir it into scrambled eggs, or shave it into a bowl of vegetable soup to transform everyday meals into muscle-supporting, bone-strengthening powerhouses without feeling like you're on a restrictive diet. Here's the deeper truth. Sarcopenia isn't just about losing muscle, it's about losing mobility, the ability to carry groceries, stand up from a chair, or climb stairs without fear. Parmesan may seem like a small addition, but these small, smart choices add up over time. They're the difference between feeling stiff and fatigued or staying active, independent, and free. So, don't think of Parmesan as just a garnish, it's a quiet powerhouse that helps you reclaim your strength, reinforce your bones, and savor your meals with purpose and joy. Finally, let's shine a spotlight on ricotta cheese, the creamy underdog that deserves far more attention. Made from whey, the same high-quality protein found in muscle-building shakes, ricotta is a whole food with no artificial flavors or strange aftertastes, just pure, creamy nutrition your body loves. Whey protein is fast digesting, delivering a rapid burst of amino acids to your muscles right when they need it most, especially after physical activity like a walk, gardening, or light exercise. Even if you're not active yet, ricotta provides the building blocks to slow muscle breakdown and keep sarcopenia at bay. Ricotta doesn't stop at protein. It's rich in calcium for strong bones and vitamin A for immune support and tissue repair, nutrients that are critical as appetite and digestion efficiency often decline with age. Its soft, soothing texture makes it one of the gentlest foods for seniors with dental concerns or sensitive stomachs, and it's easy to chew and swallow. Ricotta's versatility is a game changer. Spread it on whole grain toast, mix it with berries for a lightly sweet treat, fold it into scrambled eggs or oats for a protein boost, or blend it into a smoothie for a richer texture. No cooking, no complicated prep, just simple, nourishing food that works with your body. For those who struggle with low appetite or feel full quickly, ricotta is a secret weapon. Just a few spoonfuls deliver dense nutrition, calories, protein, and essential nutrients, without leaving you bloated or overly full. It's a win for muscle health, energy, and daily comfort, making it an ideal choice for seniors looking to stay strong without forcing down large meals. There you have it, 3 cheeses that aren't just delicious but scientifically powerful tools for fighting sarcopenia and rebuilding muscle after 60. Cottage cheese fuels overnight recovery, Parmesan strengthens bones and adds daily protein, and ricotta delivers fast-acting muscle support. No powders, no pills, just real, nourishing food that works with your body to keep you strong, energized, and independent. Start incorporating these cheeses into your meals today. Enjoy cottage cheese as a bedtime snack to nourish your muscles while you sleep. Sprinkle Parmesan on your lunch or dinner for a protein and mineral boost. Add ricotta to your breakfast or post-activity snack for quick recovery. These simple choices can make a profound difference, helping you lift groceries, climb stairs, and live life on your terms. Stay strong, stay vibrant, and keep thriving. Your next meal is your next step toward a healthier, more independent you.